Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health with the Ampere app on REALME C17. First, we will need to access the Play Store. Then tap the search box and type in Ampere. Then simply tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. Then simply tap Open. Now we will have to close down all the pop-ups. And here we are. Here we can see all the information about your battery and its overall health. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.